Is it now the best time to sell your home? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for smashing the like button and giving me the thumbs up. Let's talk about selling your home during COVID-19. So the media shows that prices are going to decrease by as much as 90%. In reality, and I work every single day, I can tell you the prices are not decreasing as much as the media shows us. There are a lot of buyers out there trying to find a home. That's just reality. They sold their condos, they're looking to move up, or they're looking to downsize. They have sold and they need to buy. That's reality. Most clients, most homeowners, they would sell first and only buy after. That's almost 90% of people. Now, if there's not a lot of inventory out there on the market, there's not a lot of homes on the market, for you to go and sell it will be the perfect time because there's buyers out there looking to buy something. And if there's lack of inventory, but there's a lot of buyers who are looking to buy, guess what? The price will actually increase. It's basic supply and demand. That's economics 101. As a professional real estate agent, first of all, we introduced a 360 camera. Without actually going to their homes, without physically going, they now can see a virtual tour and they can feel as if they were already to the home. So if you have made a decision to sell, now is the best time. So make sure you smash that like button, you give me the thumbs up, you join our other social media channels right here, you view our other videos. We have so much content coming out. If you have any other comments, comment below, share your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I know COVID-19 has been crazy, but it is now officially summer, and I wanted to share with you a few videos that are going to be related to entrepreneurship, about motivation, mindset, and we're right now in the Distillery District in Toronto, and stay tuned for those videos because there's a lot of great content coming your way.